All right, question 8. Now we're discussing neural control of breathing under hypoxic conditions. So basically, what is that main drivers? So main drivers are chemoreceptors. So the two main chemoreceptors are peripheral and central chemoreceptors. Now, at altitude, in hypoxic conditions, peripheral chemoreceptors are the big ones here. See, normally at like sea level, you were taught that chemoreceptors, central chemoreceptors, are the big cause here in the medulla. This is because the idea that they're sensing a increase in CO2, and that's why they say the main driver of oxygen uptake is CO2, because the CO2 increase is basically detected by the central chemoreceptors, and those chemoreceptors spring into action. But at altitude, it actually becomes the peripheral chemoreceptors, and those are in the carotid bodies and the aortic bodies. And basically, they sense a decrease in PaO2, especially when you're lower than 60 millimeters of mercury. When it's lower than that, it senses it higher. So basically, those are the main neural drivers. It's the main driver of how O2 is affected, how we reuptake, and when we're going, our body is telling us that we need more oxygen. It is not from the CO2 as much as the O2, specifically the PaO2 and the arterioles.